First, you're going to start the program by prompting the user to input the three known sides of the triangle. It is important to enter the number according to the correct letter of the side. Next, you're going to use a string of if-then statements to decide whether the data the user has inputted will create a triangle or not. It is important to be aware of the rule that the sum of the two smaller sides cannot add up to the length of the hypotenuse. If the lengths of the two smaller sides add up to the length of the hypotenuse, the user will be informed that the data will not produce a triangle. Next, like the step before, you are going to use if-then statements to inform the user that a triangle can successfully be created. Notice that the chance of side A, B, or C being in the hypotenuse position is taken into consideration. This is done using the simple rule that the sum of the two smaller sides is greater than the length of the hypotenuse. Again, you are going to use the clear home command to remove the prior calculations from the screen. To calculate the measures of the angles of the triangle, you are going to use the law of cosines. Lastly, to compute the area of the triangle, use Heron's formula. The variables a, b, and c are the lengths of the known sides inputted by the user at the beginning of the program. Since the calculator has already calculated the values of the angles and sides, now it is time to display them on the screen. For this, we are going to use the display command. In the first section, we are going to reiterate the values of the known sides back to the user. In the second section, we are going to display the calculated values for the angles, which were previously stored as variables in the calculator RAM. Now, the user is able to see all of the data that has been gathered by this program. Lastly, you are going to use a display command to display the calculated value for the area of the triangle. This next section of the program consists of a series of if-then statements, which tell the user the number of possible triangles that can be created and the type of triangle that will be created. You might be asking yourself right now, what does this program really do? This program is able to take SSS information and calculate the missing angles of the triangle. Additionally, the program is able to both classify the type of the resulting triangle and the number of triangles that can be created.